Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we're making pork and bell pepper stir fry. You know, in China or in some other countries, pork and green pepper stir fry will be more popular, but here in Japan, bell peppers are more popular and easy to find veggies than green peppers, so I switched green peppers to bell peppers. Plus, bell peppers aren't hot at all, so if you don't like it hot, just choose this one. Of course, if you like it hot, just go ahead and make it with green pepper. But I believe you can enjoy the oriental texture from this one as well. So, why don't you give it a try? Alright, let's get started! Well, the main ingredients for pork and bell pepper stir fry are only 4. Ingredients number 1 is thin strip of pork. I guess 200 grams is enough to serve 2 persons. Ingredients number 2 are 2 to 3 bell peppers. Number 3 and 4 are a slice of ginger and a clove of garlic. They are to be used shredded. Plus you need water, sake, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and potato starch to marinate the pork before you heat it. And last but not least, you need a bit of sugar and extra soy sauce to finish up the dish. Well, we got 5 steps to make pork and bell pepper stir fry. Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. Deseed the bell peppers and thinly slice them on a diagonal. Shred the ginger and garlic, and then strip the pork if needed. Step number 2 is to marinate the thin strips of pork with half tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, half teaspoon of sake, half teaspoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of soy sauce, and half teaspoon of potato starch. Mix them well and set aside for about 10 minutes. Step number 3 is to heat the pork strips. After the pan is heated well, add in some oil in it and heat them for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the pork gets lightly brown around the edges, it'll be okay. Remove them from the pan and set aside. Step number 4 is to heat the shredded ginger, garlic, and bell peppers. With medium-high heat, heat them quick for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Be sure to control the heat not to let the garlic to get burnt. Add half teaspoon of sake in it and stir fry it for another 10 seconds or something. Step number 5, the final step, is to add the pork back into the pan and add in quarter teaspoon of sugar and quarter teaspoon of extra soy sauce. Stir fry it with high heat for a few seconds and it will be done. Alright, that's it. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. I started with the bell peppers first. Okay, first thing you do is to deseed the bell peppers. Give it a nice rinse to it. Yeah, it looks great. Right, I guess no seeds left inside. Okay, cut it into slices. Okay, I'm through with the bell pepper, so why don't we go on to garlic and ginger stuff. Garlic and ginger. The ginger, a slice is enough. Shred it into pieces. Yeah, it's done. So what are we going to garlic stuff? Remove this root end and shred it into pieces. Yeah, you don't have to separate the garlic and ginger because you use it at the same time, so it's okay. Alright, what are we going to pork stuff? You know, it's time to make pork to get thinly stripped. Yeah, it would be nice. Okay, why don't we marinate it? Go on to step 2. Alright, what are we going to step 2? Step 2 is to marinate the pork. with 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, sake half teaspoon, soy sauce half teaspoon, plus half teaspoon of oyster sauce with about a half teaspoon of potato starch. Mix it well and set aside for about 10 minutes. It looks nice. Well, now 10 minutes has passed since I marinated the pork strips. So why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is to heat the pork. When the pan is heated well, add in vegetable oil, add in the pork, in the pan, and heat it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Well, now about 2 minutes has passed since I started heating the pork strips. It's nice and brown, so why don't you stop heating it and set it aside. Remove from the pan and set it aside for a while. And when are we going to step 4? I don't think you need extra oil, so why don't you get you going? Heat the garlic, ginger, and bell pepper. Just heat it quick for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Be sure to control the heat, not to burn the garlic. Oh no, about 45 seconds has passed since I started eating the stuff. So, why don't you add in a half tablespoon of sake. The pork back in the pan. Now the final step. Adding some sugar. Just a bit of sugar. Lots of bit of soy sauce in it. Yeah, it looks nice. Alright, I believe it's time to plate the pork and bell pepper stir fry to the plate. Okay. Wow, great, looks great. Well, pork and bell pepper stir fry is ready now. Here you go. Looks awesome, doesn't it? Alright, now you know how to make pork and bell pepper stir fry. Isn't it hard? So why don't you give it a try at your home? It will be super easy and super yummy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit thumbs up button, leave some comments down below, and subscribe. Okay, again thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. See you. Bye.